Hey everybody, my name is Embry. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start something new this week, and I think I'm going to call it Tech Tuesdays, where if I have something to review, like a tool or some kind of device or whatever, I'm going to review it and unbox it here on Tuesdays. So first things first, I would like to say that I'm not being sponsored in any way by UBeesize. Weird word. Getting it? By UBeesize, but I am going to be reviewing their 67-inch tripod. The price, I believe the price is $39.99 on Amazon, and there will be a link to that in the description. But I am in no way sponsored by them. I purchased it with my own money because I need another tripod so that I can film and photograph at the same time for you guys. But let's go ahead and get this open right after the intro. All right, welcome back. We've got this here. We're about to open it. I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, UBeesize. Now this box came inside of an appropriately sized Amazon box, which is very rare, but this was all that was in it. And pull this out. Ooh. So let's get into it. So first off, obviously, you've got the carry case. Pop that bad boy over here. Then we got some goodies. Let's see what this is. So yeah, so the description does say that it comes with a cell phone mount for the tripod. This is pretty cool. Little techie device here. Go ahead and put that down there. And then we've got instructions. Plastic bag. Yes, instructions. Along with another thing of instructions for, so if you do vlog with your cell phone, this is actually a pretty cool option. This little button thing here triggers the record button on your cell phone. So if you use your cell phone to record vlogging or anything like that, this actually might be a good option for you because it comes with this little guy free. It works with Android and iOS. Just click the button, starts recording, click it, shuts it off. I guess I haven't validated that feature, but here are the instructions for that. Now we have the tripod. All right, this is pretty good. Looking pretty nice. So yeah, this is everything that you get inside the bag. I do want to point out first off, if you guys are curious or not, this is actually made of plastic. It feels like a good durable plastic though. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels very well molded. I'm not seeing any defects anywhere. And it's really lightweight, which allows you to carry it into like the field. You know, if you are a nature photographer or something like that, you could quickly grab this and jump right out into the field and it wouldn't add a lot of weight to your bag. That's a good feature. Now the other features, this little knob here is gonna control your pan. On the back, we have this guy which controls the tilt. This is a pretty still movement as well. You can kind of tighten it, loosen it, which is good for, you know, trying to get a tilt up shot like that, which isn't bad. It's a pretty good feature to have. Another really exciting thing, and one of the main reasons why I purchased this camera, is this little knob here. When you just tighten it, and you can go from shooting in horizontal to vertical in 1 second. Like, you don't have to take the cap out, you don't have to rotate your camera, you don't have to do anything. Put it in vertical mode, tilt it down, tighten it up, and you're good to go. Which is another reason why I like this really large plate, because if the plate were any smaller, like a round one, then it wouldn't have as much of a grip area. So if you put something like the Nikon D800 that I shoot the videos on in vertical with a 24 to 70 millimeter lens on it, it's gonna go. But this plate should actually help that from happening. And you should just be able to go from horizontal to vertical without too many problems. Another feature that's right on the main top of the camera is the head extension ability. So you untighten this knob here, twist this real quick, and the head will actually extend a full 12 inches above where it is right now. And when you've like locked your position in place, go ahead and tighten that down, and you're good to go. This might get in the way, so it's really nice. It folds right out of the way, which is really convenient, and then you can continue setting up your shot however you want. So those are the essentials of the top part of the camera, like this section here, but there are some cool things happening on the bottom half of the tripod that I would like to show you right now. Another one of the reasons why I chose to get this tripod specifically are these little rubber feet. When you pick them up, they actually swivel, and they don't unscrew or anything. They just automatically stay on kind of a ball hinge, which allows them to adapt to lots of different variations in your terrain, which is really, really nice. I appreciate that. These guys here are a really good feature. Very quick, very easy, very snappy. You pull those out, and then you can adjust the height of your tripod. Very easy, really fluid. I'm really liking how smooth everything is on this tripod. Appreciating that very much. Another main feature that I purchased this for is this little guy right here. All of these three legs are connected directly to the center pole, which is really important for me personally, because I just need to be able to flip these out and shoot. Like, I don't need to be setting anything up or having to adjust legs individually. I just want it to open and go. And so when you're ready, you can simply do this, flick that guy down, tighten it up if you'd like, and you're ready to go. Done. Another reason why I chose to buy this camera specifically was this little hook that's right on the bottom of the camera, like in the center of the tripod. So you can hook your camera bag to that, and it will add another layer of stability to your whole shot while you're shooting. And that's really cool, because I do tend to kind of put my bag really far away from where I'm shooting instead of having it on me. So if I need something, I'm always having to run, grab it, and then come back, which is dumb. I know that's a me thing, but this is actually really cool and encourages me to keep my bag with me and on my tripod all the time. That actually, when I'm out in the field, that's going to be a huge help. As a beginning photographer, one of the main 5 things that I would advise you to get day one when you're beginning to learn photography is a tripod. And so that is where something like this comes in. If you're starting out brand new in photography, I would totally advise you to get a tripod like this until you know what your shooting style is, you know what you're going to be shooting, whether it's portraiture or products or anything, and then let that information dictate what you buy in the future for your professional tripod. All right, you guys, this has been my tech review of the UBeesize 67-inch tripod with carry case. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of a video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope to be doing this about every Tuesday and show you guys exactly what I'm purchasing for the channel and why. Yeah, until you see me next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye.